Another common phonological process is insertion. As you might be able to guess, insertion is the process of inserting a sound. This is usually in order to make it easier to pronounce. So let's look at the plural S in English. Typically, we just add the S sound to the end of words, such as cup, cups, lamp, lamps, note, notes. What happens when you try to add the plural S to a word that ends with an alveolar fricative? Try to make the word rose plural. It's really difficult to pronounce without inserting a vowel sound. That is why we insert the vowel sound in between the final sound of the word rose and the plural S. So it's produced as roses. So again, we can call this process insertion, or in linguistics speak, epenthesis. Let's look at our past tense ed example in English again. So what do you notice about words like list or wed? You probably add a vowel in between the last sound of the word and the past tense suffix. This is also a process of insertion, so that list becomes listed and wed becomes wedded. So again, why are these difficult to pronounce? Because the last sound of the word and the past tense suffix have the same place and manner of articulation. What other insertion processes can you think of in English or another language you know? Pay close attention to the way that you or others talk, and you might notice some sound changes you never realized before. So try to see if you can figure out why the sound is being inserted as well. That's all for this time. Next lecture, we'll talk about deletion.